How's it going, bro? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fritz, and in this video you're gonna learn exactly how to install an LFO tool in FL Studio, but with multiple kicks in one bar. So I wrote this little bass line for house music, and the bass is on channel 3. So everything we have to do on bass channel 3 is to install, obviously, the LFO tool. Then you have to go on the settings here and then double click and go to channel 1. Then what you have to do is create a new pattern, which we're gonna call sidechain. You're gonna obviously then put it just over the kick here, and then we're gonna make it a bit smaller. Then on the sidechain, everything you have to do is go up here on MIDI out, and then you're gonna basically just like drag one single note up there. So what this is gonna do, you're gonna basically hear now the sidechain every single time this pattern is installed. So let's now imagine we have those kicks, and you want to add an extra kick here, which is multiple kicks in a bar. So with this sidechain pattern, you can see now that the LFO tool is ducking down every single time this pattern is installed. I definitely recommend you to put this into a template so you not have to do this every single time you want to add multiple kicks, on like more than 4 kicks in one bar. And if you're now still trying to get this to work in your DAW, I actually created this house music production template where I have this pattern and the sidechain basically already installed. You can basically just check it out, purchase it for yourself for under $10. The link for that is in the description under this video. And otherwise, hope you enjoyed this video. Like this, subscribe to my channel, and check out this video as well, which explains exactly how to produce tech house like James Hype. Really easy tutorial. And I see you, bro, in the next video.